Ikinya ria President wa bururi wa America Donald Trump ria gutambura muthuri na mutumia tu thutha wa kuhitithio ta President wa 47 bururi-ini ucio ni rinyititwo mbaru ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto akiuga riu bururi wa America ni wonanitie murugamo waguo wigie kwaga kunyita mbaru ciiko cia HURA UMWE iria ciatuthurite githagathago. Kiumia kihituku Trump ni ekirire kirore watho wa gukindira ati bururi wake uratambura mutumia kana muthuri hatari gwicenjia uria mundu ombitwo. Oho agiteaniria watho wa kugitira ihoto cia andu a HURA UMWE aria makurikanite ta LGBTQ. Akiaria ari kanitha-ini wa Global Cathedral guku Nairobi, Ruto ni ugite bururi wa America ni utheretie mbica ya ikinya riria woete ria mwana wa kahi gukorwo agikindira ta wa kahi wa kairetu o ta uguo hamwe na mutumia na muthuri hatari gwicenjia uria mundu ombirwo.
Contrary to what has been happening in the past, this year we got some very welcome development in the United States, that the policy direction of the United States supports what we believe in, that boys must remain boys and men must remain men and women must remain women and girls must remain girls.
Ruto ni ugite riu Kenya ni taukitwo wega murugamo wa bururi wa America thutha waguo kunyita mbaru kiria bururi uyu witikitie hoka ni ihiko kana ndugu cia kiwendo gukorwo irumirire maandiko matheru.
The very first news from the United States in the new administration is to confirm what the Bible says, what our faith believes in, and what our tradition, family, is grounded on.
Ihinda-ini riu Ruto ni ugite Trump ni anyitite mbaru mubango wa Kenya gutuma maabitha borithi bururi-ini wa Haiti kung'ethanira na ekinai aria mathararitie thayu hamwe na gucokereria thayu bururi-ini ucio.
Even President Trump with the new administration supports Kenya's mission in Haiti to help the men, women, children of that nation to experience peace and stability.
Maya mokite thutha wa githagathago kwiyumiria ati bururi wa America wahota kwiyeherania na mubango wa kuheana uteithio wa kibesha wa kurugamirira mihango ya gucokereria thayu bururi-ini wa Haiti. Gukinyaniria na riu maabitha 600 a borithi nio matumitwo kugacirithia thayu bururi-ini ucio gugitanywo gutumwo gikundi kingi kia maabitha angi ica-ini ikuhi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.